Can I actually save money quickly and easily starting today? Most people think it takes a miracle. But what if I told you saving hundreds today is easier than you think? It's not about luck, it's about strategy. I'm here to show you practical, immediate ways to keep more cash in your pocket starting right now. We aren't talking about drastic sacrifices, we're talking about smart, street smart adjustments that work for you. Look, I get it. Saving money feels like an uphill battle when you're living paycheck to paycheck. You feel overwhelmed, like you're drowning in bills and don't even know where the first dollar should go. Maybe you think it requires some major lifestyle change that just isn't realistic for your life right now. Or maybe you just don't know where to start. The noise out there makes it sound way more complicated than it is. The truth is, a bank balance isn't a spending limit, it's just a number until you assign it a job. Most people just spend until it's gone, then wonder where it went. That's the cycle we're breaking today. It's about control. It's about knowing exactly what's left after your essentials are handled. Without a system, your money just leaks out in small ways you don't even notice until the end of the month. Let's talk quick wins. First, go through your phone and cancel every subscription you haven't used in 30 days. Those $10 monthly charges add up fast. They're silent killers of your savings goal. Next, optimize that grocery list. Don't go in blind. Use apps to find instant discounts before you step in the store. A few minutes of planning can save you $50 a week. That's $200 a month just from being smart. Third, check your recurring bills. A quick negotiation script can often lower your internet or phone bill instantly. Companies want to keep you. Ask for a better rate. The worst they can say is no, but they usually say yes. And finally, use the 3 buckets system. Bills, living, and future. Assign every dollar immediately. When you know your future bucket is getting fed first, the stress of spending the rest disappears. Think these small moves don't matter? Let's do the math. Saving just $5 a day is a game changer. $5 a day is $150 a month. That's nearly $2,000 a year. Now, what if you combine that with the $200 you saved on groceries and the $50 from canceled subs? That's $400 a month back in your pocket. That's almost $5,000 a year. That's not just extra cash. That's a career escape fund. That's the start of your 10K mission. Small, consistent actions create massive results over time. You don't need a 6-figure salary to build a future. The difference between staying stuck and moving forward is simply starting right here, right now. Your bank balance isn't your destiny. Your strategy is. Snip those unnecessary costs and keep your cash. Saving money doesn't have to be hard or slow. It's about small, immediate actions that add up fast. Small wins lead to big changes. You've got the tools. Now it's time to use them. Pick just one tip and try it today. Tell me which one you chose in the comments below. Subscribe for more hacks and check out my weekly paycheck reset link in the bio. Let's get that 10K mission started.